Welcome to the Conrad Las Vegas. We booked it through something special that Joe will blog about later that got us a really nice upgrade with this city view. Ooh. Look at this nice sitting area where you can relax and enjoy the company of the people with whom you are traveling. Look at this city view. Okay, it may seem like we just have a view of a big parking lot, but there's more than that. There's also that red building. There's Circus. There's some other stuff over there, and of course, the mountains. And I am certain during sunset tonight and sunrise tomorrow that it is going to be breathtaking. Let us continue our tour. Oh my God, look at this giant couch where a whole family can enjoy just a wonderful one-night stay or a whole week. Our whole family, me and Joe, will be here doing that exact thing. We've got this very replete mini bar. It's nice that there are options here, but as a non-mini bar consumer, but a mini fridge user, this is not gonna work for me because you can see everything is a defined spot. So there's a lot of fun stuff in there if that's what you're into, but it also means you probably can't take that stuff out and store your fancy vegan sandwich meat, which is always the number one thing to do on my list. But fear not, there is a Nespresso. Am I looking at a Nespresso? Am I looking at a DeLonghi? I don't know, but it's got pods and I like that. Before going into the bedroom area, we'll take a look at our bathroom. You will see this lovely bathroom where if you're traveling with friends, they can use this one instead of the fancier one that is going to house all of my creams and beauty products and bath bombs. Moving into the main part of the room, the place where I'm going to be spending most of my time is going to be at this vanity, not putting on makeup, but maybe doing other things that people do before they go out. I'm definitely going to hang up some stuff in this closet. I see I've got some really nice robes back in there. We got some good storage up here. Oh my God, you could hide up there. If this became an action movie and you had to hide, that looks like a legitimate hiding spot. I've got this lovely pink chair that you can sit in while you look at yourself and primp and preen. I probably should have brought makeup just so I could have played with it. I've got this whole thing here with all of these. Remember back in the day when they used to provide this stuff all the time, and then the pandemic happened, and then they stopped providing stuff. But now when you go to the Conrad, they still give you everything that you need to be successful because that's the type of establishment where we're staying. This is why we booked the Conrad, because we looked at the Crockford and it looks very nice, but it did not appear to have a bathtub, which was my number one ask for this one-night anniversary stay that just scheduled for us. We've got none other than the Mojave Ghost, which you see at other Conrad hotels and other locations. You've got a separate water closet for privacy. And then, of course, there's a shower because, oh my gosh, it's not just a shower. It's like a studio apartment in New York City. It even has a bench. It's got the rain shower, which I love. It's got the handle, which you need. It's got all of these really great Mojave Ghost soaps. Looking forward to washing my hair. It's about time that I did that after such a nice long car ride. And then, of course, this beautiful vanity mirror. 2 sinks, his and hers, hers and hers, his and his, theirs and theirs, theirs and hers, theirs and his, however you rock and roll. And then this really luscious room. And really, what is a luxury hotel without another bench to put your luggage, a tiny dresser, because who's actually using dressers anymore? And then, of course, a bench. Really nice bedside table with a cubby. Let's see what our charging situation is like. Oh my gosh, and they even give you a pen and paper. You see that so rarely these days. Okay, yeah, looks like we got a USB and a USB-C and an outlet. Okay, great. So that's everything I need to be successful. And then, of course, a chaise lounge so I can contemplate my life choices that got me here with this view of an aerial view of what looks like an Adidas field, a McDonald's, an empty lot, big shiny Fontainebleau, which is a new hotel. Looks like they're a cool pool over there. I bet they're gonna have a pool party later, and I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like from a great distance. And this is the Conrad. It's our first time here, and I'm certain it will not be our last because this is gorgeous, and I love it. And I hope someday you get to check it out too. Oh, yeah. See, now this is what I'm talking about. So we can turn off some lights. We can do some drapes. We can do some shears. Ooh, yeah, it's too bright outside. It's too bright. It's nice that I have this button that just moves the drapes for me. So we can all just finally have some peace and quiet after a long journey to get to our final destination.